Hello everybody, back to this puppy. Finally gave up looking for my whetstone. Picked up a new set, came with loads of different shapes, round one, square one, handy one for going in the pack, triangle one for serrated knives, etc, etc. Tried with this bad boy. 2 hours I've been trying different angles, even the different stones, everything, and it's still rubbish. Absolutely shocking. If you're going to go to a knife fight, take a spoon, not an Anglo Arms knife. That was after 2 hours of messing around with sharpening stones. And out of curiosity, I got my old favourite out of my day bag. I mean, thickness wise, there's not actually a huge amount in it. The edges relatively similar. This has been used for opening thick card. 10 swipes on the whetstone either direction. I'm hoping much better than the Anglo Arms knife. Not amazing. I'm not very good at this. Right, try again. Kind of the serrations, it's quite serrated, seem to catch the paper. See if I can do it with just the flat edge onwards. Fiddly. I think that shows it's certainly sharp enough, this knife. It's not too fibrous. It's for all its serrated horror. The edge isn't that good. It's more of a saw than a knife, really. But I can poke it through relatively okay. Try and do the same thing with the Anglo Arms. Let's see what happens, shall we? Find it. Poke it through. Very fibrous, very rough. That's more what I'd expect from a serrated blade. And from this, the end's not even that pointy, really. What can I say? I don't know if it's my technique, if it's my sharpening technique, my ripping paper technique. I'm still very unimpressed with the Anglo Arms bushcraft knife. You get what you pay for. £14 knife. I've got cheap pound kitchen knives that have sharpened and kept their edge better than this. Just refuses to bite. Cheap nasty knife, same place. What do we get? just does it. Oops. Takes some getting used to do this. I don't know how some of the guys out there do it. Rubbish. Good job the missus is a teacher, eh, and brings home loads of scrap paper. pieces, even time. Oh, hello. Hey. Nope, getting. It's ripping, not cutting. Oh, shocking. £14 goodness. I might send it to a knife sharpener, see if they can do a better job than me. I hope they could. I think I said in my first video, glad I didn't pay for this knife myself. I've still got the issue with the rough burrs there. The brass pin, don't know if this will pick it up. It's quite badly discoloured. Shocking, 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 shocking.